Morning, everyone. Welcome to this beautiful week in May, Monday, May 7th through Friday, May 11th. As usual, you have your weekly assignment plan to do to start off the week and make yourself organized. Also, this week we're going to talk about problem solving and conflict resolution. By the way, great job on the empathy stuff last week. You really showed heart. The final weekly journal will be this week. This is the last time we will have a weekly journal because coming up next week is Keystones, and after that it's sort of on a downward spiral towards the end of the school year. So this week is the last weekly journal. And remember that if you complete all of your work in this course each week, you get 10 extra bonus points just for doing your work. So get busy. And good luck. And if you have any questions, please join me in class this afternoon. We'll talk about problem solving and conflict resolution there. Have a great week.